taking the train for the first time to go to Hoorn. Take a steam train. Yes. We're at the steam train museum. So I just got my ticket. I'm leaving Hoorn at 10:40, and then we take the tram back on at 1:20. Let's find a good place to sit on the train. So we're going from Hoorn, Hoorn, all the way to Medemblik. The train is starting to move. Oh, there's people waiting.
Where are you come from?
Singapore.
Singapore, okay. Did you have holidays here or? Nice.
Thank you. The ride so far is kind of slow and shaky. We're approaching the middle soon. Not much to see as of now. My Dutch pancakes are finally here. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, it's so cold here. Oh my gosh. Help. Okay, yesterday at Marken, I saw them selling this. So I think I'm gonna try it because it's like a specialty. Yes. This is kibling. It's one of their Dutch snacks. I'm sitting in another cabin right now. And the train is moving again. Going back to Hoorn. Oh! Let's go take a look at the inside. The sandwich was actually really good. Like, there was a layer of like avocados, and then I ate half of it, and there was like more avocados, so they were really generous with the fillings. So those coming to Amsterdam should really try it. And I'm going to the Royal Palace right now, but it's kind of under construction, so it's not the best view. But I'm just gonna explore this area for now. We are at the Royal Palace. Guys, I'm getting so overwhelmed in the city because there's so many bikes and there's so many people and there's so many trams and everything is just everywhere. I'm so overstimulated. I got the goods. Worst part of solo traveling 101 is I have to finish this entire thing by myself. It's my last day in Amsterdam, and I'm currently at the Museum. Heads up, if you are heading here, do get your tickets early because it's actually sold out. Guys, it looks so good. Hi guys, I'm just exploring Vondel Park right now. And I'm hanging out with this really cute duck. Oh, so cute, so cute. Oh. There's a bird on top of Vondel's head. Hi, we are at Albert Cup.
Yes, Albert Cup Market.
Yay! Trying yoppie sauce for the first time. We met this lovely lady.
The flowers.
And we'll be unboxing that box together.
Okay, and remember,
Ah!
bird poop, bird poop, bird
Ah!
poop. You just missed it.
Do you have any?
I'm going. Let's just, okay, we're a team, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's see what we have.
Okay, okay.
Wait, first off, it was a €5 grab bag.
Yes. At an Asian market.
We rejected one.
Because of the
Feel.
yeah. It's probably a can.
Okay,
It's
we
definitely
don't
a
want.
can.
Okay,
Any guesses?
some ramen noodle
Okay, probably.
here.
It's a country.
Okay, you want to
Probably. Probably.
You want to guess? No, but no. Feel. Guess first.
Yeah. It's a drink, right? This probably a
Oh,
drink.
this is a canned drink.
Yeah, this has to be a can.
And I don't want a canned drink.
Will anyone in your family want it?
No.
No?
Okay, open. But we each get a surprise, so don't
Okay.
tell us.
Open
You
it, but,
open.
But pick one at a time.
Yeah. Don't look inside and just pick one.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm glad you find this fun.
No, I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. It's so fun.
Okay, wait, what do you
I feel
have?
something.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's it?
Do you want to know?
This is yours.
Okay.
You keep it.
No. Okay, wait.
But you can bargain for trade.
Oh wow. Okay.
We're making new rules.
I love like.
Okay, so let's just see what you got.
I think you should open it more. Yeah, just open it more. That's,
She's a drama queen.
she really is. She's keeping us on the edge of our seat.
Yeah, oh, here we go.
Like, oh,
Oh,
oh, what is
Panko.
it?
Tea.
Oh.
Oh, I don't like tea. You can have that.
Oh
Okay.
no.
Okay,
Oh my god.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. Oh.
No, that's the thing I thought.
Oh, I want that.
Okay. Yes.
I'll
please.
fight. I'll fight.
No, you can have it immediately.
Okay, well.
I'm
okay.
sorry, I'm not putting out a fight because I can't.
No,
do
so
fight
that's what
scenes.
you have. Okay. I'm gonna pull this
Yeah,
one
pull
out
something else.
because you know it's. I don't want it.
Okay, it's a can drink.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull the candle.
Yeah.
And we got another round.
Okay.
Is it cold? Oh.
It's you? This is not even Asian. What?
Is that legal?
They didn't even check any IDs. They just like let us buy.
We got beer.
That's okay, right?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
Okay, your turn.
It makes sense
Okay.
because like
Okay.
no one's gonna be buying like
This is-
yeah.
Okay.
You're right. Oh wow, coffee and tea.
Oh, I want coffee.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty sick.
Okay.
That's Vietnamese coffee.
Oh,
Wow.
I don't know Vietnamese coffee.
No, but Vietnamese coffee is good.
Is it good?
It's known to be good.
The tea, not interested.
Do you want
Coffee? No, I can bring that.
That one's from me. You said your grandma knows how to make it.
But I don't know how to. Let me see. Okay. Alright. Then you have fun with that.
I got these.
Which year were you? at you. Oh.
Does it give good books? It also tells you about your neighbors.
Yeah. You have
We
artists
just
in
walked
your...
past the
Yeah.
free
You
You
library.
absolutely have artists here. Oh.
And one of the things when I used to get books,
Yeah.
I used to think I have too many books.
Yeah.
And an old man was walking by, and I said, "Oh, it's so heavy." And he goes, "That's why they call it a library. You take it
Oh.
home, you read it, and you bring it back."
Okay.
And I was like, "Oh, that's cool."
So do you return it?
A lot of them I do.
Oh, I feel
Like this one's too. That one's not mine. Today it's too heavy.
Yeah, it's fine. Oh, there's an Medemblik book in Dutch. I grew up on
I put all of my
Medemblik.
I put all of my Singaporean art books here.
Did you?
They
Oh my
disappeared
gosh.
like in hours.
Well, we are a fascinating country.
That is true. Especially one that didn't even exist before 1940.
Yeah, literally.
Oh, I want that.
Finding your art.
Oh, I want that. This one's mine. That is
Oh.
definitely
Wait,
mine.
let me see the back. Visual art.
Hi guys, I'm at the red light district now, and I just went into the Museum of Prostitution. It was very interesting, but I couldn't take any videos. Definitely something to explore when you're in Amsterdam. I am on the canal finally. It's 8 p.m. and I'm kind of hungry. But we'll end at 9, so I'll get some food later. In the meantime, we are going to enjoy Amsterdam from the waters. My last bus right back to my hotel. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. I think I'll miss this place a lot, like especially at the canals, and most importantly the weather, because Singapore is so hot. Yeah. Airport fit doesn't really match, but it's cold outside, so I need my jacket.